Hello, and welcome to our lesson on understanding leadership. This segment will cover project leadership and influence of the leader. The influence of a leader in project leadership is significant and pervasive. A project leader has a profound impact on various aspects of a project, the team, and its ultimate success. Here are some key areas where the influence of the leader is particularly noteworthy: vision and direction. Project leaders are crucial in setting the project's vision, goals, and strategic direction. They define the project's purpose and ensure all team members understand and align with these objectives. Their ability to articulate a compelling vision inspires and motivates the team. Team dynamics. Project leaders have a substantial impact on team dynamics. They shape the culture and atmosphere within the team, fostering collaboration, trust, and open communication. Influential leaders encourage teamwork and minimize conflicts. Decision-making. Leaders make critical decisions throughout the project's life cycle. Their decision-making ability influences project direction, resource allocation, and problem-solving. A leader's decisions affect project outcomes and the team's confidence. Risk management. Leaders are responsible for identifying and managing risks. Their ability to anticipate potential challenges, develop risk mitigation plans, and respond to unexpected issues can make or break the project's success. Motivation and productivity. Effective leaders motivate and energize team members. They provide recognition and support, ensuring the team remains engaged and committed to their work. A motivated team is often more productive and efficient. Communication. Leaders are central to effective communication within the team and with stakeholders. They convey information, expectations, and project updates. Clear, open, and timely communication is essential for project success. Quality assurance. Leaders set quality standards and enforce quality control processes. Their commitment to quality influences the project's deliverables and the team's commitment to meeting those standards. Resource management. Leaders allocate and manage project resources, including budget, time, and personnel. Effective resource management ensures that the project progresses as planned. Change management. Leaders guide the team through changes in project scope, objectives, or priorities. Their ability to adapt and lead the team through transitions is vital. Conflict resolution. Leaders are often responsible for resolving conflicts or disagreements within the team. Their approach to conflict resolution can impact team morale and productivity. Time management. Leaders must manage project schedules and deadlines effectively. Their ability to keep the project on track and make adjustments when necessary is crucial for timely project completion. Stakeholder management. Project leaders maintain relationships with various stakeholders, including clients, sponsors, and team members. Their ability to manage stakeholder expectations and address concerns is vital for project success. In summary, the influence of a leader in project leadership is extensive and multifaceted. Their ability to provide vision, direction, motivation, and guidance while managing resources and navigating challenges significantly determines the project's outcome and the team's success. Effective leadership is a cornerstone of project management excellence. Understanding your strengths and preferences will help you understand your role as a project leader and your effectiveness in taking on this role. To support you in this, several widely used psychometric profiling tools in the marketplace enable individuals and teams to define personal styles and explore the positions others may take. Some popular tools to provide such insights include Myers-Briggs, Thomas International, Highland's Ability Battery, Belbin Team Roles, and DISC. Many individuals who use these psychometric profiling tools come away with the idea that they are being pigeonholed into a particular type of behavior, but such tools indicate a preference. The reality is that, as individuals, we typically have a range of responses to a situation, and that we work across the spectrum, often depending on the context. Being able to flex your leadership style as the situation and the context require is one of the critical attributes of successful leaders, project or otherwise. The insights that this range of tools provides help to develop our self-awareness, that ability to recognize and understand our moods, emotions, and drivers and our impact on others. We often work with organizations that elect to provide all their project team members with the opportunity to take these psychometric profiles. The additional insight these tools provide is not just at an individual level, but also helps team members to explore their relationship with each other and to understand the diversity of approaches, strengths, and weaknesses within the team. They provide an objective and impersonal way for team members to discuss their different motivations and the impact these have on relationships and project performance. The essence of project leadership is the ability to create the desire to share the same journey and purpose. The view of leadership is about making connections, engaging hearts and minds, and building trusted relationships. So, relationship building is one of the critical elements of the project leader's role. Strong relationships built on trust and respect help to generate support for the project outside the project team, as well as enabling collaboration inside the project team. From assembling the team in the initial stages of the project, through coordinating efforts, developing expertise, and monitoring the performance of the team as well as the project leader has a critical role in ensuring that the maximum value is achieved from and for those involved in the project. Being able to identify those relationships that you need to build with the client, the sponsor, and the others, and being able to identify their respective interest in the project will help to pinpoint how to hook their support and keep it. Just like personal relationships, these relationships are not static. They need attention and nurturing. They are dynamic. Therefore, just because you have built trust and understanding in the past, it does not mean that you can take the continued relationship for granted. Until now, we have presented how to build successful relationships through understanding the other person, modifying your behavior, and then adapting when required. Ultimately, if you are the project leader and committed to delivering success, it is up to you to find ways to improve understanding, minimize conflict, and build motivation. Formal position and hierarchy confer specific authority, but working across organizational barriers in a temporary team outside standard hierarchy means that project leaders need to be aware of a different set of challenges. Often, most of your team will come under the direct management of another for line management, appraisals, salary, and promotions. As a project leader, you will spend a lot of time trying to make things happen and get things done for yourself, to meet expectations and deadlines, or on behalf of the project team. Working outside the formal hierarchy of an organization means that although you have the accountability and responsibility to produce results, delegated or otherwise, you cannot rely on an elevated position or a place in the hierarchy to get things done. It also means you need to be organizationally intelligent and make sense of the power bases, politics, networks, and relationships within your organization, as well as the client's organization. Being able to move and work quickly and confidently across all areas of the organization and to build influence and support at all levels of the organization, from the C-suite to operational levels, demonstrates professional and personal maturity. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss project leadership and motivators. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you on our next segment.